Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and do also hit the notification bell. Today I am going to unbox and review the September Fab Bag. It is their 8th anniversary edition. So let's get started. So I just got the Fab Bag and this time it is in good condition, thank God. So without wasting any time, let's quickly unbox it.
Since my hair got cut and dyed.
So this is the pouch look. It's deep blue in color. It is a good quality leather pouch. I am happy that I have got this color as I don't have any purse or bag in this color. So the pouch has button closer and is it spacious also. Let's see what all do we have in here. So the first product is Sugar Matte as Hell Lip Crayon. This is their star product. So there are different shades to choose from this lipstick, and the shade I picked is Lily Aldrin. The MRP is rupees 8.99. I already have two shades from this lipstick. These lipsticks are creamy to matte and it glides smoothly on lips. This is one of my favorite lipstick. So let's open it and swatch it. So this is a mauve pink shade and will look absolutely stunning on every skin tone. This is one of the must-have shade in every girl's makeup kit. The lipstick come with a sharpener like this. It is a dual sharpener with cover in it. You can sharpen your kajal also. There is a cover at the back also. It is better than you get with other sugar lip crayon. It's a good quality. I loved it. So the second product is Brick New York on Fleek lip liner. Here also they have option to choose from different shades. The shade I picked is Brick Red. The MRP is $3.49 for 3 gram. I have got the liquid lipstick from this Brick New York last month in the Fab Bag. It's cruelty free and vegan. The packaging of the lip liner is like normal lip liner. Let's swatch it. It's like orange with red undertone. So the third product is Global Beauty Secret Face Wash. There was the option to choose either the shampoo and conditioner or the face wash from this brand, and I choose the face wash. It is a new brand for me. Let's open it and see how it is. So it is a full-size product. The packaging is good. The MRP is $4.50. All the information is given in its back side. and also in its outer package. I have not used the product till yet. I will definitely let you know how it works on me. Fourth product is a body wash from brand The Soap Company India. It is their Musk body wash variant. It is also a full size product. The ingredients are not mentioned. The price is 250 for 100 ml, which is a bit costly, but I loved its fragrance. It has a sweet smell. I will definitely try it out and let you know how it works on me. It is pretty much travel friendly. So let's move on to the last product. The last product is a sheet mask from brand Palmer's. It is their coconut water hydrating sheet mask. The price is 305, which is bit costly for a single use sheet mask. I think so. All the information about the product is given at the back. As it is a hydrating sheet mask, it can be best used for winter. I am excited to try it out. So that's for today, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.